Hi there guys, the good people at Monolux Microscopes gave us this microscope. Are you ready for an unboxing? Well, here we go. As you can see, the boxing, nothing really great about the box. The box is kind of boring. It has a factory smell, but I do like this brown tape to match the brown box. Very special. Let's see what's inside. You're not gonna believe this, guys. Check this out. It is, packaging nice and snug, so nothing can be damaged in transit. Lift that up. Let's see. Polyethylene, polypropylene type of taste. And here it is. Look at this. The piece de resistance, something like that. Okay, so we have the cord. We have a bag to go over the top to keep it safe from dust and debris. And look at that. Here it is. Monolux. Look at this wrapped up nicely. The rubber band. Okay, so this right here we have our ocular lens, WF-10X, 10 times microscopic power. Down here we have our objective lenses. 1, 2, 3 with 3 different magnifications. We have the scanning with 4x, 4 times bigger than real life. We have the low power with 10x and the high power with 40x. Okay, these are the coarse adjustment knobs. We drop that down all the way. Take the packaging up here. Oh, I could reuse this, put a slice of cheese in it. What a great idea for recycling, reuse, reduce, and recycle. Okay, so what's on the side? Here, diaphragm. Hear that? You can hear it all clicking into place. That changes holes along the bottom to allow different amounts of light in through your specimen. So how do we use this thing? Well, first, we take our coarse adjustment knob, turn it away from us so that the stage goes all the way down. And then we put our microscope slide underneath. Make sure you start with scanning. Scanning is the one used to scan or find your object. And while I'm looking through the ocular lens, I'm going to turn until it comes into focus. So that's raising the stage until it comes into focus. All right, I might have to move the slide. Imagine that there's a microscope slide underneath. And once I find it, well, what I can do, oh, there it goes. Once I find it, I can change to low power. That's increasing the magnification strength. And then I center it and I focus it. And I could use the coarse adjustment knob or the fine adjustment knob. But when I finally switch to high power, I will no longer use the coarse adjustment knob, because as you can see, that could smash the stage into the lens. We don't want to do that. Okay, so we're only going to use the fine adjustment knob, which is this little one, to go in and out. Okay, wow, what a beauty from the people at Monolux. We have a power cord, smells like plastic, ready to go, and the bag's on top. And what's this? This is a dental toothpicking tool? No, it's to change the fuses, I believe, from underneath. All right, thanks guys, we'll catch you next time.